Do you struggle with English grammar rules? Believe me, I understand. I experienced the same trouble with my own Japanese study. These problems as a student make me a better teacher. I've learned that grammar rules are only helpful if we can see them used in real examples. In today's video, I'll explain how to use present perfect tense with lots of real examples. You'll be using this grammar just like a native speaker. Keep watching. Perfect tense grammar is not as difficult as it sounds. Present perfect tense looks like this: have or has plus the past participle form of a verb. We use it when we want to describe new information or an action that is related to now. I have just eaten lunch, so I'm not hungry. Eaten is the past participle of the verb to eat. Erica's contact lens has fallen out.
Let's help her find it.
Fallen is the past participle of the verb to fall. I found it. I have lived in Japan since 2006. Lived is the past participle of the verb to live. Have you been to the new cafe on Front Street? Been is the past participle of the verb to be. We sometimes use been as the past participle of to go when we are talking about going to a place and coming back. More on that later in the video. Here are some more present perfect tense examples connected as a story. There has been an accident. The accident has made everyone more careful when crossing the street. The number of car accidents in the city has gone up this year. The police have added 25 traffic light cameras this year to catch drivers who don't stop. All these examples have an effect on the present moment, a result now. The accident is causing a scene now. People are now being more careful when they cross the street. More car accidents are happening now than last year. There are now 25 more traffic cameras in the city. Join my English newsletter and get exclusive English learning material that I only share with subscribers. PDFs, quizzes, product discounts, and more. Click the button in the top right-hand corner of your screen and sign up today. It's free. Now, back to our video. Present perfect negative. For the present perfect negative, we will use haven't or hasn't with the past participle. This project is due tomorrow, and I haven't even started. Started is the past participle of the verb to start.
Helen said that Will is going to transfer to our head office. Is that true?
I don't know. I haven't heard anything. Heard is the past participle of the verb to hear. Present perfect questions will start with have or has, followed by the subject, followed by a verb in the past participle. I left my coffee on the table, but now it's gone. Have you seen it? Seen is the past participle of the verb to see. Has anyone driven an electric car yet? Driven is the past participle of the verb to drive. Here's a common English question you may have heard before. Have you ever been to someplace? The past participle of the verb to go is gone. But if we talk about a visit, trip, or vacation to someplace where we have gone and come back, we'll use been instead of gone. Been is the past participle of the verb to be. I have been to Sao Paulo 3 times. Have you ever been to Canada? I'm going to Tokyo Disney Sea next week. Have you ever been there? I hope this video has been helpful for you to understand present perfect grammar. For even more information and examples, a helpful infographic, and more, check out the blog post that supports this video. From the blog post, you can download a present perfect tense PDF for free. There's a link to this blog post in the description. Thanks for watching and have an awesome day.